Hey guys, I'm Frida with WTI, and this cute little guy is our new fire detector, smoke detector from XSense. They were nice enough to send this to us, and when I first saw it, I thought, how adorable, and why not? Why aren't all fire alarms this small and aesthetically pleasing? But more than just how it looks, I love how it runs. So it comes with access to a free app, and it's incredible. Being able to set this up with your Wi-Fi and then communicates with the app, it took just a few minutes. As you can see, the app has all different options for choosing which notifications you want. I just have them all turned on, and I tested it out a little earlier today, and I was very pleasantly surprised to see that not only does the alarm on the fire detector go off, but also an alarm on my phone goes off. You can hear just a little bit of it before it stopped recording, but it just puts my mind at ease. I'm always worried that my children will not wake up or that I won't wake up to the fire alarm, but I keep my phone by my bed every night. So the fact that it's going to be going off near the kids' room and also on my phone makes me feel so much better. It makes my husband feel so much better too. They are portable, so the XSense suggested that you can take it on vacation with you. If you're not sure where you're staying is going to have suitable fire detectors, we can just throw it in our suitcase and take it with us. So now that we know how amazing this works, we want to get one for every room in the house. It's just our sense of security has gone way up. I know a lot of newer homes have it hardwired so it can communicate directly with 911, but without having to pay that extra expense and just installing a bunch of these with the app, we're going to get the same benefit. Now you can sign up for a monthly plan to communicate with the fire department, but I feel just that added security knowing that if I'm away from my home, my phone is going to alert me where the fire in my home is, where the smoke has been detected. So very, very cool idea, very, very cool company. I love things that are easy to use but are adding a great value to our life, and I think you'll feel the same way. And that's my point of view.